What's good, y'all? It's Jacoje, and today I'm gonna review the. Say what? What's good, y'all? It's Jacoje, and today I'm gonna review the ultrasonic jewelry cleaner by Magnasonic. Let's get to it. Alright, so here is the Magnasonic ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. Recommends that you use at least a cup of water, so I always use a little bit more. I'm not going to do all my pieces at once. I'm going to do these two first. This one. And they don't look necessarily dirty right now, but when I pull them out, you'll really be able to see a difference. Now, you can choose how long. I'm just going to go ahead and do 90 seconds, honestly, just to kind of show you guys. And I'm only going to use water. You can also use jewelry cleaner, special formula. I honestly wash my jewelry about once a week, so I just use the water, and it usually just does a great job for me. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start. Alright. Now, just look at that. Would you just look at it? I mean, obviously, to some extent, the camera is really not going to be able to capture it, and you're somewhat going to have to take my word for it. But especially this chain, it just gets so dirty for whatever reason, and whenever I pull it out of the cleaner, it just looks absolutely incredible. Tricolor rope looks beautiful as well. This is from Jacoje. I'm going to dry those off while we do these real fast. Both these pieces have diamonds in them, so I usually do it together. Just do a quick 90 seconds on this one as well. Looks great. For $40, honestly, you can't beat it. Not gonna act like I have clean jewelry every possible way that there is, but from my experience, this is definitely the quickest and easiest and best way to clean your jewelry, for sure, especially on a budget. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, definitely hit that like button, that subscribe button. Check out some of my other videos. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Till next time, Jacoje. One love.